Hi guys, welcome to Sub 5. Today I'm going to be solving this guy. The absolutely humongous, spectacular, absolutely astonishing, amazing 6x6 cube. So, here's what it looks like. I just scramble it up a bit more, just to make sure it's properly scrambled. Didn't want to do the 7x7 because it would take like ages to scramble, even longer than 6x6, and I didn't want to do the 5x5 because I just didn't want to. Okay, here's what it looks like. White looks good. Because this time only goes up to, times up to 10 seconds, it will automatically then 10 minutes, it automatically then resets. So after 10 minutes I'm gonna start it again and then add that on to 10 minutes because I average like 13 minutes. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not going to time lapse this because my mum doesn't really have too much time to edit it and I don't really want to. So I've done the first 2 bars. And oh yeah, I need to remember the colour scheme on 6x6. Edges for me is probably the easiest but most boring part of the solve. For big cubes, I find centres the most fun, then 3x3 stage, then edges because like I do not like edges. Here's first centre done. First bar. Oh. No. First 2 centres. Now I'll do green. Green looks good. First 3 centres. Now I'll do red. because the first two bars look really easy. Oh. Okay, last two centres. Done all centres. Time for edges, my least favourite part. Oh, red egg. My best time's 13 minutes 22 for this. Hopefully I can beat it. First two wedges. The edges stage always requires a lot of looking around for the pieces you want, because it's often pretty hard. Done first four edges. Blue and red looks pretty good. Okay, I think I'm on to the last four edges. no, I wasn't on to last 4 edges. Now I'm on to last 4 edges. Oh! Did it wrong. L2E. In L2E I just do a lot of I just do what's it called? Oh yes, overlap parity a lot. Oh, I just add 5 seconds on my time. Okay, 3x3 stage. Done cross. Then after a while, oh no, allow party. What did I do to deserve it? I like OLL party a bit. It's just annoying when you're about to get a really good time and OLL just party ruins it. Oh. No, I had to redo just now last 2 wedges because I don't know 6x6 PLL parity. So see, it just ruins my potential PB. Now I'm going to get like 12. Instead I could have got like 10. At least I didn't get over that party. Yes. Oh, 12:08. Beat my PB by like 1 minute something. Oh no, 12:13 because it took me like 5 seconds to realise the timer. Okay, so that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll do a 5x5 solve video, 4x4 solve video, and a 7x7 solve video every month, I think, or every week. We don't know. But I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe.